Hey guys, this is Joeboy Cowboy, and here I want to show you how I installed 12,000 BTU Midea U Shape air condition in a sliding window. As you can see, it is installed, and I only put plywood instead of glass on our sliding window. This is our apartment, so as you can see, it is a sliding window. So if you want to get fancy and you want to see outside, you can use a plexiglass or whatever glass you want. It is working well. This air condition is really quiet. You cannot hear the motor because it is outside your window. Okay, that is how you can install your Midea air conditioning to a sliding window. Thank you for watching.